The 6 categories of Chinese characters are typically divided into 2 groups: the 4 categories of character formation, how characters are created, and the 2 categories of character usage, how existing characters are adapted. The 4 categories of character formation explain how characters were physically constructed. We have pictographs, which are pictures of things. Over thousands of years, these drawings have become more abstract and simplified to make them easier to write with a brush or pen. Ideographs are visual representations of abstract concepts. They point to an idea. Ben is a picture of a tree with a marker pointing to its root to mean origin. Compound ideographs combine 2 or more pictographs or ideographs to create a new character with a new, combined meaning. The pronunciation of the parts is irrelevant. For example, we get the word bright by combining the 2 brightest natural objects in the sky, the sun and the moon. Phonosemantic compounds is the most important and common category, accounting for over 80% of all Chinese characters. A character is made of 2 parts: a semantic component, a radical that hints at the meaning, and a phonetic component, a part that hints at the pronunciation. The 2 categories of character usage explain how existing characters were repurposed, not how new ones were built from scratch. Rebus, or phonetic loan characters, follow the principle of borrowing a character for its sound to represent another word that sounded the same but difficult or impossible to draw. This is like writing "I love you" in English, where the character "you" is borrowed for its sound, not its meaning as a letter of the alphabet. For example, Bei was originally a pictograph of 2 people back to back, meaning the back. It was borrowed for its sound to mean north. Derivative cognates is the most obscure, debated, and least common category. You're unlikely to need this for practical language learning.